These are the South Garage elevators at Sarasota Memorial Hospital in Sarasota, Florida. We're gonna go up to 7. It's a ThyssenKrupp Impulse. Here we are at 7. Here's a view of the garage, the top floor, level 7. Oh, we got that one too. You know what, let's try this one going down. The cabs are all identical. There's your certificate. 3,500 pound capacity. Dover Buzz. Elevator 2 I don't think works, or it's out of service as of right now. What do you know, elevator 3 also came back down. Just to show you, here's elevator number 2, and it's turned off it looks like. Anyway, that'll be it.